The chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), Olanipekun Olukoyede, has called on Nigerians to refrain from rushing to judgment over the alleged abuse of the naira by former militant leader, Government Tompolo, popularly known as Tompolo. A video that went viral on social media showed Tompolo being sprayed with 1,000 naira note by an unidentified individual during his 54th birthday celebration. The footage triggered widespread public outrage, with many Nigerians demanding that EFCC take swift action, as it had been done in several cases involving naira abuse. In response, Olukoyede emphasized the importance of due process and confirmed that the agency is investigating the matter. He revealed that Tompolo has been invited and the controversial video is currently undergoing forensic analysis to verify its authenticity. Nigerians should please don't condemn Tompolo for a mere allegation.
We have invited Tompolo to Nigeria. The whole Nigerians know that, and we said there is no one that is above the law. We are nobody should go and condemn Tompolo for the allegation. It's a mere allegation for now. So when it comes, we will look at it. We have subjected the video to forensic analysis because we have to do that. Because these days too, people can impose, but we have subjected it. We have invited him. Not until we conclude the case. We cannot say Tompolo is guilty or not. We must give every Nigerian fair hearing.
Benefit of the doubt.
Benefit of the doubt.
It comes on the heels of the recent sentencing of Nigerian singer T-Dollar and content creator Toby Nation to 6 months in prison for naira abuse. The EFCC handling of Tompolo's case would be closely watched as a test of the agency's consistency in applying the law, regardless of status or background. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to Naija News TV.